Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm excited to share with you my beautiful tree. And this one is called Wisteria Amethyst. This variety is American variety, so it's grow quite compact, much smaller than the other Japanese variety. And their blooms are much smaller as well, or shorter as well. It doesn't have a very long, like either whipping down tassel, not sure what is that called, but the bloom much shorter, and most of the bloom here kind of starting to fade away already because I have been busy with the other project. I did not have enough time or making in time to film this video, but when they were very beautiful, but this one still looking good. Look at this one. But anyway, I have grown in the container for 2 years now. This tiny little container, not tiny, well, 30 centimeter width, but it has been here for this container 2 years, and today I want to report it into bigger container. This container is quite large. It's well 80 liter actually, quite large. I don't know how many centimeter, but well 80 centimeter as well. So much bigger, and I think this tree could be very happy to move into the new home. And this variety, they say it's very compact, and if you grow it in the ground, it can reach into about 4 or 5 meters. But if you grow in the container, and you know you always can trim it as well, it can just grow maybe 1.5 or 2 meters. It depends on what you like of the space you got as well. So I think I just keep it in container and I let it grow 1.5 or 2 meters. And you can see I got it for 2 years, and this is the second, kind of like maybe this is the third year. So 2 years, like last year and the year before. They bloom very well actually. So the first year I just got I think 4 or 5 blooms, and this year I got so many all the way around, and the bees, they love the blooms even in very windy day today, and they still love the bloom. I'm very surprised with that. You can see the bees just flying on around me. Anyway, so I'm going to repot it, and the potting mix, I'm just using like premium potting mix, and I just put like some piece of styrofoam put at the bottom of the container, so the container have very good drainage and it doesn't block the drainage holes. If you grow them in the container like I do over here, make sure you use very good quality of potting mix, and the pH between 6 to 7 pH level, that is ideal, and I could say slightly acidic to neutral size. And make sure you plant or place your container in the area have a lot of sunlight, 6 hours of direct sunlight or more in order for them to bloom well. And this variety is grafted variety. I will show you in a little bit later about the grafted area. So that's why this plant have bloomed so well or very early. But I heard that like if you grow wisteria from the seed or from the seedling, that could take for them a long time to get it to bloom. Alright guys, all done, and I just watered it in, and you can see how ghastly this is, but the blooms are gorgeous. I just mentioned to you before, some of the blooms, or most of the blooms, they fade away already, but they still look beautiful. I think some of the bloom, they only just start open. Example like this one. This one, you can see some of the end bit here still not quite open yet. Sorry about the wind, and I'm so scared. A lot of bees around here, and it loves the bush. And here you can see at the down bottom here, haven't quite opened yet. So yeah, I still have time to enjoy them more. This variety, they bloom much later than other variety. This one, they bloom from late spring to early summer. So we what the day today? Today is the 22nd, I think, the 22nd of November, and it's blooming, still blooming, so I think maybe another week or so, and this will fade away. By the way, this is grafted variety. Let me show you the grafted area. Down here, so down here is the rootstock. Can you see it? And on the top here is the variety, the variety of this wisteria. And yeah, so I didn't bury this at all. I might have to come around to put another stick or stick the trees, because I do like the way they kind of holding up thread in the middle. And then I let several branches just fading down, or I made it trailing down. Example like this one. So I let it to grow all the way. Example, go all the way and it's trailing down. And the other one over here go all the way and it's trailing down. I do like that way. But anyway, it's stay new home and it have a lot of sun in this area. So I know it's going to be happy to grow them in the container. Make sure you don't let it dry out completely though, because they dry out for a little while, that's fine, for a few days or a week. But if you let it dry out completely, and after that, it will die. Even though they're very hardy. But if you grow in container and no moisture, and if you got so much heat, or the temperature is so high and there's no more moisture for it to take any more from the container, and then it will die. Anyway, I just showing you the beetle jumping around of this beautiful flower. Anyway, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoy seeing this beautiful wisteria, and you can definitely grow it in the container, and highly recommend this variety for you if you don't have enough space, and if you're afraid that the other varieties they might damage your foundation or anything like underground that you don't want. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.